you know, who cares? Here by myself. I'm gonna face this so you guys can see the light and make a video. There you go. My little baby. See? My baby's so cute. Okay. Finally, there's like one video where I'm actually looking at the camera. But, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna be on here. I bought some skin. Finally, I'm not that... Nope. To be racist, but I'm not that bad anymore. Okay. Let me do this. Let me explain that part brighter! Okay. Okay. I only did that. I wouldn't do that in front of the camera. I only did that because... What was I gonna say? Because, I just wanted to see if... I'm looking at the thing right here. So I wanted to see if it would, see what I'm doing. Like, because I could kind of see my reflection, but I could still see, like, the movie star planet thing. See right there? I can still see it. It's like see-through, so, yeah. Bro, this girl, she's like, oh my god, I'm live. But for some reason, I don't see it live. Like, her last live was about her doing, like, this drip thing. And I was in the live. I was pretty happy that I was actually in the live. Do you have any rare skins? No. Okay, I gotta pause this. Okay, so I did what I had to do. And right now, I have actually no idea what I want to do. I was going to do this. I was up at like 1 until 1 in the morning doing this. Right here. Because I was really inspired. But guess what? Okay, I have this one video where it shows like, it said reload and like, it had no service and it disconnected and stuff. It had that little puzzle piece in the middle with this frowny face. That happened while I was doing it, and I got so mad because it doesn't save. And it literally took, I was up at like 11 until 1 doing it. I was literally almost done. I was on these 3 squares. And then, but this was moved up here. And I'm going to write here. In that space, and all these were up there. So it would be like this, but all this space for right here, I would be writing. But no, it disconnected. I got I was literally so don't copy. I just read that right now. I was gonna say inspired by Hannah Cool. Oh, dot. How did she get that dot? Because I tried getting a dot before, and it says you blah 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 blah. And like, I don't care. I do not care. Do not care. No, don't care. Don't care. That can be 100. Hurry up and load. It's already 5:07. I'm trying to get here at like 6. So I have about like 52 minutes now because it's 5:08. Oh dang. Okay, I gotta put it. Okay, so I just have to do something really quick. But now, this is one of my boy accounts, because I really need animations, so please people give me animation. It's for my other boy account. I'm making a movie, and I need the boy to be, Manly. Obviously, I'm pretty sure I have no manly. No manly. Why is this lagging? No manly animations. And if I did, they're probably VIP. Which the only thing I do is push-ups. Which I'm pretty sure a lot of you know why I have push-ups. But yeah, I could give that one or that one. I'm gonna keep that one. I might. No, that's VIP. Okay, I'm gonna give that one, I guess. But there's like no other ones that are manly. I mean manly. So if any of you have like manly animations, please give them to me, please. I don't really care about changing the color anymore. Kitty would cute. Cute. I like it. Like you got to be. Okay, I gotta auto this account 9 times. So, find my phone! Okay, so when I do get better at recording, I will do like a time-lapse thing. But right now, the app I'm using, I can't. So, and the next time, I won't be putting my face. Only because it's in the way of seeing the movie thing. Oh, look, it already knows I want 2 minutes. Can't see it, can you? Because I put my dark. See, 2 minutes, it already knows. Okay, 2 minutes on the clock. Oh, wait, but then this will end. I only have 15 minutes to record. I already said that. Keep saying it. And you know, I swear all these people are. Okay, the only people that are ugly here is. Okay, I gotta be honest. This girl and this girl. That's it. Everyone else is pretty good. The prettiest girl here, I think. Yeah, that's why she's not voted for. Okay, the prettiest girl here would probably be. Probably be this one. That one, this one, and this one, and this one, and that one. Those are my top 5. And this one could be prettier, but it's not too pretty. Oh, I didn't notice that one. Can't really see because I pointed with my finger and you can't read. My finger was a U. Look. Come on. Stupid phone. Ring already. Oh, that's pretty. Who was that? Because I forgot. This phone is so off. I ordered it at the wrong time. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? Oh man. Okay, so this is my other boy account. As I said in my last video, I'm dating this person because no one else wants to date me. So I'm just tired of it and I need it for a movie. So I need to level this up so I can gift all the good things to this account. That's what I do. Pretty stupid, but Come on. I need more fame. I need more freaking fame. My cup. And you fill up my cup. For some reason, I like this cup better than the regular cups. Like, we have more fancier cups, but I just feel better. Even though, for some reason, this one is like pretty at the bottom. That's just how the cup is. No, I only have 20 seconds more left to record, so I guess goodbye. I will make a part 2. Bye bye.